name's Darren Devani, and 32 years old. And I started dancing when I was about 6 years old, and I did this in karate and hockey and soccer and everything, and one by one I cut those away until it was just dance. Dance for me is a bit of a therapy, so if you go deeper into the pain and sorrow, you can find some liberation from the heaviness and the darkness, and set yourself a bit free.
Darren, he's a phenomenal dancer and person. I think something in Darren, like what I'm looking in dancers a lot of times, it's this classical and pure and amazing technique, but on top of it, to behave like a baby that don't know anything. And you know, it's rare to find crazy dancers with big knowledge and big like technique that know how to reduce everything and to be themselves. And I think he have this quality of crazy star and baby that don't know yet.
I think Sharon's work is really hypnotic, and it's really connected to feelings and sensations, and it's kind of like you're on a train when you're watching it, and it's just going faster and faster and faster. That's how I feel when I watch her work. It is an honor to be here and to share with you and have your culture share with me and do our thing side by side and find how we meet up and what's the same between us all.